Dracula wishes to reclaim my city. You call yourselves New York's guardians. Now is the time to prove it.
Squirrels versus vampires? Seems fair to me. Squirrels versus...
Gear up. These enemies won't quit. But neither will you, it seems. Such remarkable power. I hope you put it to good use for once. Those monsters look... and enjoy the peace. It won't last for long. Fascinating. Now, who's the real monster? Another wave incoming! Isn't over yet. Fascinating. Now, who's the real monster? More vampires have arrived. Ready yourself for battle. Congratulations on surviving another round. Let's hope your luck continues to hold. A hero at their peak. I hate to admit it, but I'm impressed. Vacation's over. Fight isn't over yet. A hero at their peak. I hate to admit it, but I knew you wouldn't give up easily. But now it's time to see if you're truly worthy. Enjoy your... Remember who truly gave them everything. Their mayor.